Hey, this is Paul Evans, the HVAC technician, and on this job we were told to remove two outdoor units on the third floor. While I was getting changed, I overheard one Polish technician explaining to the other the procedure in case I fall off this ladder. First, remove all clothing with company logos off the body. Number 2, collect and put all tools back in the van immediately. Number 3, before leaving, kindly check all pockets for tools. They're very expensive. And number 4, take his phone and call ambulance 1 minute after leaving site.